Sometimes y'all's comments make me think. And I'm like, hold the fuck on. I done made how many charcuterie boards? We know it's charcuterie. But I done made how many of them motherfuckers? And they felt that the price of eggs was more important than human lives, than human rights, than voting rights, than civil rights. Them motherfuckers ain't never killed. Cause cheese ain't that motherfucking high, bitch. If you got money, cheese ain't that high. If you broke, cheese is not that motherfucking high. Because when it comes to cheese, anything you need that motherfucker for, you can make it without it. With the exception of macaroni and cheese, you need a hell of a lot. And potato motherfucking turbies. Say what the fuck I said. Love you, bye.